She's received monthly payments on these investments, and she did it all without flipping houses, managing tenants, or clocking in more hours. So I want to share with you a quick case study. A woman named Jane, okay? Jane came to us and she had $47,000 and she invested it into $78,000 in passive earnings through note investing. Now here's her story. In 2020, Jane was exactly where many folks find themselves in midlife. She worked hard for earning for everything she had. She scrimped, she saved, and she finally saved up just enough to fund her first note, that initial investment of $47,000. For her, that was a big leap. She had a desire to retire, like I know many of you do. She was looking to provide support for her spouse, and she wanted to leave something for her grandkids and avoid being financially dependent on them later in life. But she was also hesitant. Like so many new investors, Jane had never done anything like this before. And she didn't grow up around money, and she didn't have a financial degree. She just had grit and the willingness to learn. Now, Jane didn't jump in blindly. She started by educating herself through our program, learning how note investing works, how to protect her capital, and how to evaluate deals like a pro. And then she made her first move and bought her first note for $47,000, which she collected monthly payments on, and then it paid off. Now, of course, from there, Jane was hooked. And over the years, she reinvested her profits, built her capital, and gained the confidence to fund her largest note to date, $140,000. Now, since starting with us back in 2020, she's funded 6 loans. Her total earnings are estimated at $78,000. Now, that doesn't count her initial investment. That is just return. Okay, that's $78,000 in cash. She's received monthly payments on these investments, and she did it all without flipping houses, managing tenants, or clocking in more hours. Now, if you guys like Jane's story so far, I want you to talk to me, okay? Put it into the chat. Say, Lee, I'm loving this. This is awesome. How do I be Jane?